Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to set up the purchase order expiry days for a supplier or set of suppliers in bulk at HQ. Purchase order expiry is the date on which the purchase order will get and it will be unavailable in the system for further use. Setting purchase order or PO expiry days for a supplier in ERP refers to defining the time duration within which the purchase order sent to the supplier is valid. Once the expiry date is reached, the PO becomes invalid and the supplier cannot deliver the goods mentioned in it. The main benefit of using the purchase order expiry is we can restrict a purchase order to be converted after the defined days. The purchase order will be expired and you cannot convert that purchase order into purchase invoice. So let us see how it can be done. Go to MDM, then contact master, then contact master. Here, let us first select suppliers. We'll click on supplier and click on go. All the supplier will be listed. Suppose I want to set the purchase order expiry for AN agencies. I'll click on update button, the pen sign over here to open the supplier window. Click on the supplier tab if it's a multi-selection. Otherwise, it will be selected over here. There will be only two general supplier options. Here, you can see PO expiry days option over here. We can set the PO expiry date. For example, let's say after 15 days the PO should be expired. Set this one and we'll click on update. Now let's see how to do this same thing in a bulk. Go to MDM, then contact master manager, then contact master bulk update. Here first the filter will come. Over here we need to select the supplier and then we will click on proceed to continue. Here you can click on this columns button and check whether the PO expiry date is active or not. As we can see, this PO expiry date is active, so we'll click on proceed. Now we can filter the contact name over here. Let's say AN agencies. So if we type there, it will automatically get filtered. Now we'll go to the right hand side where the PO expiry date will be there. So can you see it is showing 0. So here we can change it, let's say 10 days. So we'll click on save and it will be saved. Similarly, we can update for multiple as well. If the suppliers are within the same category, it means most of the supplier expiry days will be like 10 to 15 days. What we can do, we can just give this figure, then press Ctrl C to copy and drag it and Ctrl V to paste. So all the fields will be pasted with the same value. So for all these suppliers, the PO expiry days will be 10. Click on save to continue. Click on dismiss. So as a conclusion, with the help of purchase order expiry days, we can restrict the purchase invoice to be made after the expiry days passed. This will help restrict duplicate purchase orders as well. Thanks for watching.